Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to audit the tone of voice in writing. So let's get started with the video. So basically, we would be needing ChatGPT for this. So I have a sentence over here. This is maybe needed for the content creators. They may got comments, they need to reply on that comments, or maybe creating content, how it sound to the audience. So I have taken an example here that I have reminded you multiple times about the deadline. It's frustrating that this keeps delayed. So what we need to we will ask the chat gpt what kind of tone this message is in. So basically here I've written, could you analyze the tone of this message? Tell me if it sounds professional, casual, or too harsh. Just send this prompt to ChatGPT. As you can see here, the tone that it has analyzed is frustrated and assertive and given all the details over here. Alright, now you want it to sound not harsh. So just write the prompt. Could you please make it not to look harsh and say the same thing in polite way? Just give this prompt. So it, as you can see, it has created the same prompt into the polite way. That is, I understand things can get busy, but I wanted to gently follow up, and you can just send this message. So this is how you can audit the voice of tone basically in writing. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.